You good?
All right. Hi, my name is Sean Maynor. I am a production supervisor with Berry Plastic Corporation. We are manufacturing and plastic bottles, servicing a wide variety of plastic bottle needs. We are located in Morrow, Georgia. Our facility was started due to the high demands of plastic bottling needs, such as medical, pharmaceutical, and your everyday water, drinking water, such as. We make several different types of bottles. Hold on, because you're gonna edit anyway. What type of bottles do you make? Thought y'all didn't want to talk about that.
Which one you got?
It says number 6. What type of bottles do you make?
Yeah, I remember we make high density
Okay.
PET bottles.
All right.
Can't give out no specific names.
All right.
Are you good still? Bro?
Okay. There are several different types of bottles that we make, such as high density, low density bottles. High density basically is a more durable form of plastic, which can withstand, more impact. Low density, such as your water bottles, are really not that strenuous. If you have your vitamin bottles and such as, you want to make sure you have a good solid bottle so that it doesn't, so that it can withstand the handling. In other words, so shipping. There's a process that we take the plastic. There's a process that we take the resin. Oh, let me start over.
You good, man? Hey, I know you're nervous a little bit. You good?
Yeah, because you want to be on point. There's a process that resin goes through before there's a process that resin can go through before it becomes a bottle. First, we take the resin pellets and dry it, and then we inject it through a specially designed equipment, also pertaining a mold to shape the form of the bottle. The normal operating temperatures ranges from 275 degrees Fahrenheit on Nieces and 565 degrees on Aokies and Huskies. We have procedures that are put in place to protect the operator from getting burned, such as PPE, sleeves, face shields, gloves, special types of gloves, high temperature resistant gloves. We have several different machines that we use to form the bottle. We have Aoki's, we have Nieces, and we have Huskies that are injection molding machines to do the preforms. Which, when we have a preform, we also have a unit that's called the SEPA, which is actually taking the preform bottle and taking the preforms and expanding it into a bottle. After the plastic is blown into the bottle, what happens next? After the plastic is blown into the bottle,
kind of explain after it come out the machine, it's ejected. What happens? It goes into a box.
Okay. After the plastic is blown into a bottle, the next stage is the packaging stage of it. At that point, we have a packer that's standing at the line inspecting the bottle for any quality issues or defects that are found after the process has been generated. We have several positions to assist with this process, of course.
Sorry, I kind of threw you off on that one. After they pack it, kind of explain, and you would kind of tie in the position, after it's packed, it's stretch wrapped.
Okay. After the packaging has been completed, hold on, let me go back. After the plastic is blown into a bottle, the next phase of the process is packaging. The packer at that point thoroughly inspects the product, places it into a lined box, seal the box, places it on a pallet, depending on whether it's stretch wrapped or not, which most product is stretch wrapped due to for shipping purposes. At that point, it's then sent out to the warehouse and it's staged first in, first out, which is called FIFO, which means first product made, first product shipped. There are three types of there are several types of positions here to assist in making sure.
You can just name like.
I was just going.
You got the packer. Talk
Yeah.
about the packer. Forklift driver / material handler operator.
All right. Some of the types of positions that we have to ensure that this process is being implemented correctly would be one, the packer packs, operator, pretty much assist in troubleshooting and process monitoring control, forklift drivers for shipping the product to the warehouse, maintenance in order to provide any technical breakdowns or any mechanical needs that needs to be addressed.
Yeah, you good with that one. Then we'll go down to number 19.
What happened? Okay. If for some reason we have any product that is not made according to customer specifications, then we have a non-conformance procedure, and we have a non-conformance procedure put in place to ensure that the customer is getting what they ask for. In other words, non-conforming product is any product that does not meet customer standards via whether it be wrong color, improper packaging, wrong labeling, so on and so forth. The steps that are used to correct these issues is first identifying where the problem started, how did it start, when did it start, and where did it start. Basically, there's a 5 why process into that. And from there, we also use an 8D analysis on that of how to protect our customer from ever having this happen again. This in itself could affect the plant dearly due to the fact that the customer doesn't get the product that they ordered, and with that being said, company doesn't get paid, company doesn't profit from non-conformance or any non-compliance issues.
You talk about like shipping costs, shipping it back, so you're paying double for it.
Yeah, you pay for. With that being said, you're also paying for double freight. In any given instance in manufacturing, you would only like to handle the product once. Make it right the first time, ship it the first time, ship it on time in full, which is OTIF.
When you talk about the plant in the future, just talk about how we used to be a glass country, and starting to see over the years, starting to see more stuff. Just to say, you expect more stuff to come from plastic.
Due to ergonomics and environmentally safe products, most manufacturers are leaning towards plastic because plastic can be recycled and reintroduced into the process. Berry Plastics was originally a metal manufacturer or tan manufacturer, which converted over to plastic due to the high demands and needs of plastic products. In the near future, we're looking to expand in our blow molding facility, adding in more EBM products. What's EBM? Hold on, you got me on that one. Extrusion blow molding. EBM, which is extrusion blow molding. I look forward to seeing Berry grow in the near future. I think Berry is going to be very successful and competitive in this high demand for plastic products.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening. Hell, I ain't got nothing now. Hit me with something else.
And what we'll do is, what type of material do you guys use to make the bottles?
Excuse me. The type of material or resin that we use to form the bottle is polyethylene terephthalate. This consists of high density and PET, which is high density is basically a more durable. What?